welcome to the channel, and today the recipe is homemade chocolates. So first let me explain you what kind of chocolates I'll be using. I have this dark compound chocolate from the brand Morde. So this is the one. I have roughly chopped it so I can melt it easily. Okay, compound chocolate. This is again from the brand Morde itself. So you can see the white compound. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna melt chocolate using a double boiler method, where I will be boiling water in a milk saucepan, and I have kept the chopped chocolates on the top of it, so it will melt slowly. So I'm gonna turn off the heat now. So when the water boils, the steam of the water will melt chocolate. And what you need to do is make sure the bottom of the pan on which you are melting the chocolate should not touch the water. Okay. So let it melt. So as you can see that the chocolate is completely melted. I'm gonna pour this melted chocolate in the molds which I have. Just take 1 spoon of it. Pour it in the molds. Just need to fill it only the half of it, as it's a silicone mold. The chocolates will come out easily when it's frozen. You can see that some of the molds I am filling halfway through, so that I can add my fillings here. I also have some dry fruits here. I'm gonna put them in the melted chocolate. Fill the chocolate molds which have half filled. So my chocolate mold is already filled with chocolates and some dry fruits. So I have two variations here. Here I have filled the dry fruits, and here I have put the dry fruits on the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this chocolate filled molds in the refrigerator for an hour. So I have a different mold here. So first I'm gonna pour the dark chocolate in halfway through. So I'm just gonna dab it. So it's half filled. So I have melted the white chocolate also in the same way. So you can also melt the chocolate in the microwave, but you need to keep it on, stirring it after an interval of 30 seconds, or else the chocolate will burn. So I'm gonna add the white chocolate layer on the top of this. After putting the white chocolate, so it will come to a level, and I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 20 to 25 minutes, as this has less chocolates in it, less melted chocolates in it, so it will take lesser time for it to harden. So hence I am putting this in the fridge only for 25 minutes. So I have taken out the first mold which I kept for 1 hour from the fridge, and I'm going to slowly remove the chocolates from the molds. So I'll show you how to do that. My dark chocolates are ready. Another set of chocolate also, which is the plain chocolate, that is also out of the fridge. So I'm going to take it off from the mold. So you can see here these are two colored chocolates. One is the dark chocolate and one is the white chocolate. So you'll get a layer of chocolates. You need to be gentle while taking it out, or the chocolate might break. So here it is. The homemade chocolates, which you can just wrap in an aluminum foil, and you can also gift your friends as the festive season is nearing. Thank you all for watching, and if you want to watch delicious recipe like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.